y'all, and welcome back to my channel. And I wanted to share this new addition that I will have in my garden. I kind of like the rustic look to it, but I think to keep the rust from getting on my clothing, I'm probably going to most likely sand it down and paint it. And this is super cute. It gives you the option, like I talked about in my other video. I can, face my garden if I want to and watch my chickens, or I can face the pool and sit on that side. And so that's what I've got. This actually was sitting in my mom's yard and I got it for free. She gave it to me. And so, I think this is going to be so cute in my yard though. I don't know exactly what color I'm going to paint it yet. I may do it a white or some kind of a color that'll pop. I don't know yet. It just depends. I'll have to look at all the little paint, colors and see what I can come up with, what I like. And because I've gotten several other little things that we've painted. This one I've got to paint. My mom bought this one for me a couple of years ago, and I haven't painted it yet. My husband painted my two chairs that goes with this. They're in the building, and we did, it was like a, kind of like a lime green or something like that. But this one needs to be painted. You can see over here, instead of throwing away yard furniture, these were green. We repainted these and we did these blue to match our Margaritaville. We have a Margaritaville bar that we have out by our pool, and so but I think that is going to be so super cute, this bench right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it up near the rose bush that I just put in, and have it sit in between there. And I think it's going to look really cute. But if I put this in there, I don't know if I'll do the mulch, because I don't know if I want to stand all in that mulch. So I may do the little pea gravels, and maybe I might can do the pea gravel and put mulch around the bottom of the rose bush. I don't know. I'll do something. I'm sure it'll look really pretty up there. And it's just a slow progress. It's eventually going to get done. And just keep your eye out. And your mother-in-law, your mom, your cousins, your neighbors may have something that they just have sitting in their yard that's rusting away, and they don't mind just giving it to you, or you may offer them $5 for it, and it can be your treasure, and you can have it sitting in your pretty little garden. And so that's how I'm going to get my garden, is cheap or free. And y'all, these things are memory makers, and that's what makes them awesome. I've always loved seats like this. They are more intimate for conversation, and you can sit on this with your boyfriend or your husband. But I just wanted to share a little bit of information on them, because I had to actually look it up to find out the exact name that was used for these benches. And this bench is known as a courting bench, also known as a kissing bench, a conversation bench. They were popular in Victorian times and thought convenient for kissing and intimate, for like conversations. It's really sweet, to sit on here with your boyfriend or your husband. So I think that would be so sweet sitting here. So this is where I'm thinking of putting it like this. That way that I can face the pool on this side, or I can come around on this side and face my garden area, and I can watch my chickens and just have a little peaceful little area. So, but I'll wind up having to probably level it up a little bit because it's going downhill just a smidge. And but that's what it's gonna look like. I think it will be cute sitting here in my garden. And y'all, what do y'all think of this little courting bench? Let me know what y'all think in the comments, and hopefully I can get this painted as soon as it stops raining every day and the weather is nice and pretty, and I can show y'all an update on the color I choose. And if you have some choices of colors that you think might look cute, comment below and let me know what color you think that you would want to paint this bench. And I hope y'all have a great day. Please like, subscribe. Bye, y'all.